hello. Welcome. I am going to share a quick and easy facial moisturizer with you. I'm using oils to make this moisturizer, but I'm using selective oils, oil that contain vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which will help to nourish the skin, which will help to plump the skin, boost the collagen production in the skin, and also it's an oil that will keep the skin hydrated, younger, and fresher looking once you use on a regular. This facial moisturizer is good to use over your facial toner. So if you're interested, follow me. Let me share the recipe with you, and I will also share tips on how to use this on your skin for best results.
Our first ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil is hydrating to the skin. It is a form of a humectant that will lock the moisture in the skin, preventing water from escaping from the skin, therefore keeping the skin hydrated, soft, and supple. I'm using solid coconut oil. However, if you have liquid, go ahead and use that. Now, if you're using the liquid, use about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So I'm going to slightly warm my coconut oil using the back of my spoon, totally crushing it in my wooden bowl. Now after this is done, guys, I am going to reach for my next ingredient. My next ingredient is another special oil, and this is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E have antioxidant that will help to keep the skin clean and clear, reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Vitamin E also will absorb in the skin, boosting the collagen production once applied regular on the skin. So after using our vitamin E oil, I have another amazing oil to use. Here I have some papaya seed oil. You can substitute papaya seed oil with some squalene oil. Papaya seed oil contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and also vitamin E. It helps to boost collagen, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to keep the skin hydrated. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Spritz this in, and now let's move to my next ingredient. This is a skin spot remover ingredient in the form of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will have to lighten and brighten and also clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, whether you use it on your face or any area of the body. Now we're using a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. We're going to scoop this in the bowl. Make sure to get everything out when you're scooping it in. And once this is done, we are going to blend, and we're going to blend well. Now slowly warm all the oils up together, which might take you about a minute or two. Now this combination, guys, contain all the essential vitamins to have the skin looking glowing. We have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. We also have a bit of a folic acid and an omega-3 fatty acid in this mixture. Now we're going to use a preserving oil in this, and I choose to use vegetable glycerine. It will help to keep the mixture a little longer, but it is also very hydrating to the skin. So we're going to use about a teaspoon of the vegetable. As a matter of fact, we're going to use about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. We're going to pour this in with the rest of our ingredient, and now guys, we're going to blend all of this together, warming the coconut oil up, mixing all the oils together to create a perfect anti-aging, skin brightening facial cream. Now take a look, guys, how fluffy this is. You can also choose to double up on the ingredient for this. Another tip, guys, you can also do this in the blender. However, because I'm making a small amount, I tend to want to use it in my wooden bowl, which is pretty easier to handle with less waste. So completely dissolve and mix this into a cream. Now once this is done, let's pour our cream out. Here I have a small jar, and you want a jar with a tight cover. So I'm gonna pour my mixture into my jar like I'm showing here. Make sure to get everything out. All of this is just simple precious. You don't need to put this in the refrigerator. You can store this on your countertop where it's going to be nice and melted. Now here it is, guys, your anti-aging facial cream. Now this facial cream is good to use on your face, preferably AM, and you're going to apply it to clean skin. So just wash your face the way you normally do, and then spritz on your facial toner, and on top of your facial toner, this is what you're going to use. Now 2 to 3 drops is fine. A little goes a long way. And warm the oil in your hands, in your palm, and then massage it on the skin. Now after you massage it on the skin, you're going to let it dry on the skin. Use this up as often as you wish. It's good to use every night, and before you know it, you're on your way to younger, fresher, more glowing skin.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Give this remedy a try. Use it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And guys, this is also good to use on your eyes. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.